Hey guys, happy Friday. Today is Friday, April the 17th. We are going ahead and getting started with our math lesson today. Remember NOD's number of the day. We've got one more week after today, number of the day, and then we're going to start on the work that first grade team has made for you. This one that you're working on is from Birmingham City, and then you're going to get a like a choice board with assignments that first grade has made for you. So our math lessons will look a little bit different, but number of the day still next week, okay? Parents, if you did not receive your child's report card and the choice boards for reading and math for weeks 5 through 8, let me know so that I can get that sent off to you as soon as possible. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to do the number of the day is 3 today. Yours is 4. All right, so it's going to be pretty similar, but just make sure that you're doing your number of the day and not the one that I'm doing up here, okay? So here we go. The first thing we need to do is make the number of the day big. Now, the number 3 is pretty small, okay? So is the number 4, your number of the day today. But we've got to come up with a number that is smaller than 3. All right, so I'm going to use my greater than, less than, greater than or less than sign to do the number 3. Remember, my alligator mouth is going to eat the 3 either way we use it, whether we use the less than sign or the greater than sign. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and set mine up this way. This will be something is less than 3. All right, so I need to come up with what is less than 3. I'm going to go ahead and draw the number 3, so I just need 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Because the number 3, it doesn't have any 10s. It's only 1s, 3 1s. All right, so there's my number 3. I'm going to cover up some of my circles, take away some of my circles to get a number that is less than 3. So I'm going to do something kind of crazy, and I'm going to cover up all of them. Okay, now I know that when I cover up all of them, that means I have how many left? I have 0. 0 is still a number. It just doesn't mean it means I don't have any circles. All right, so 0 is less than 3. All right, and there's my 3 back, but if I took all of them away, I had 0. So 0 is less than 3. If I wrote it on the other side, I'm going to erase it. I still make my alligator mouth open to eat the 3. I put the 0 on the side where the alligator mouth is not open, and this would read 3 is greater than 0. Okay? Does that make sense about how the symbols are different? This way, it's a greater than. If it's this way, it means less than. Okay? Make sure that alligator mouth is eating the bigger number. All right? Okay, next thing that we're going to do is we are going to use 2 add-ins to make our number of the day. So that's where we have something plus something equals 3. Yours will be 4. Okay, I'm going to use this 0 like I had to do my number of the day. So I'm going to color in all of my circles purple. Okay. So I don't have any that are green today, which means I have 0. 0 green plus how many purple? I have 3 purple. So I have 0 plus 3 equals 3. Now I can reverse them, remember? I could say that 3 plus 0 equals 3. All right, it works either way, either 0 plus 3 or 3 plus 0. Either way, it still equals 3, okay? All right, last thing I'm going to do is to double my number 3. So that means I'm going to add my number 3 to itself. So I will get 3 plus 3. All right, let's look at a drawing of this. I'm going to pull you just a little bit closer. Okay. So if I draw out this whole thing, I'll have 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Now, if I looked at these circles, I don't have enough to make a group of 10, okay? Because there's only 3 over here and 3 over here. That's not enough to make 10. So in that case, like, I wouldn't have any 10 groups to circle. So I would just need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Or I can do it this way where we start with the number 3 and then we add 3 more circles to it. All right, because we would have 3 written and then add 3 circles to it. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Or if you are a super smart cookie, you know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. But I mentioned yesterday that I wanted to start seeing your work, all right, when you're adding. Even if it's a little number like 3 plus 3. I want you to see your work that you do so that I know how you're doing it. Because some of you might even be going 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Well, that is the same thing as what I drew right here. But I want to see a picture of it, okay? I want to make sure that I am getting to see what you're thinking and how what strategy you're using to solve. Okay? So we've got 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, that's all I got for you today, guys. Your number of the day is 4. Don't forget. I was about to say don't remember. That doesn't make any sense. Don't forget your number of the day is 4 today. But we will not be having phonics today. We only do phonics Monday through Thursday. So if you try to log in for that, it's not going to let you because I am not on there today. But don't forget to get onto iRead 20 minutes each time, 3 times a week. All right? Get on iRead 3 times a week for 15 minutes. Okay? Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great weekend and I will see you Monday.